Thank you for watching, and in this video we are going to discuss how to give dimensions to the holes in SolidWorks drawing. So when we need to give dimensions to the hole in SolidWorks, so there are a couple of nice tools available. So let's go into the SolidWorks and let's see what are the options available. So the first option is hole callout. So as you can see right now I am in the drawing, so I'm gonna go into the annotations, and this is command here into the ribbon section which is called hole callout. So I'm gonna click on that. And then after selecting the commander tool, so whenever I'm gonna click any circle, so it's gonna give me the whole bunch of information about the hole. So as you can see, like this is 0.180 the width, and this is through all, and the next one is 0.300, and that is 0.350 deep. So such kinds of information. But sometimes, like if there are a lot of information, so you can get confused exactly what's going on here. So it's really hard to understand. So what we can do is, the simplest way is we can add other view to understand the whole or the information. So I'm gonna click the green check mark, and then what I can do is I can just select this view, and then I can go into the drawings and I can have another projected view. Before that, I would like to move here, move this view down on this page. So I'm just gonna escape, and then I want to move it down. Okay, and now what I'm gonna do is I just want to have another view to understand this whole. So what I'm gonna do is I am just gonna select this top view, and then I'm gonna go into the drawing, and then I'm gonna go into the projected view. And after that, you would see like you could have this back view here. So I'm just gonna insert it here. Or if you want to have an isometric view, so what you can do is you can again go and you can draw isometric view as well. Okay, so as you can see, like this was top view and this is the back view. So I want to understand this hole, why there are multiple holes here, like one is through all and one is 0.350 deep. So I want to understand it. So what I can do is I can go into the section view. So as you can see, into the drawing, into the ribbon section, there is an option for section view. So I'm gonna go into the section view, and then after that what I can do is I can just zoom in, and then because I want to understand this hole, so I would bring my cursor into the center of this hole and press it, and then I would click the green check mark, and after that I would just get a whole section view of this hole. So as you can see, I have this view, so wherever I want to insert I can just click my cursor. So I can just add my section view here, and then I can click the green check mark. Sorry for distraction, but if you think my videos are helpful for you, or if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, I am gonna highly recommend you can go into the description of this video, where you can find my course link, in which I have over 10 hours of videos in which I explain each and every command in a detailed way. Thank you. So this is a section view. I can just bring the title here, and then I can go. Okay, so now we can see, like what we can see is like this was just a single hole, and it's gonna cover the 4 different holes. There are 4 different holes who are going through this single holes. So that's why like we were getting a different that's why we were getting a different depths here. As you can see, we have different depths of the hole. So this was the reason. So now I understand it. So what we can do is now we can go into the annotation, and then we can give smart dimensions. So what we need to do is, like I just need to select what is the width. So it's 0.300. Then I need to select how deep is this. So this is 350. As you can see, like we already saw this in the top view, in the downside, when we were using hole callout. Maybe I can click the green check mark, and then I like to bring this down because I want to give more dimensions about the angle. So I'm gonna go back into the smart dimensions, and then I need to select this dimension at what angle it is, and it's 120 degree. So normally this one is 118. I don't know why this is 120. So I can go and I can give dimension to this one as well, like this, and I can give dimension from here till here as well. Okay, so in this way you can see just I just open the whole hole here, and I made another section view for this hole. And so in this way it is really easy to understand the drawing, exactly what's going on here. And there is another option. What we can do is we can just select this dimension, and then we can turn on parentheses. So in this way, like, we can make it as a reference. So into the feature manager, into the dimension text, so I can just select parentheses. So in this way I can add parentheses as well. So in this way the reader of this drawing, it will understand this is just a reference, so it's gonna be explained somewhere else in this drawing, and then he is gonna move here, so he would understand what exactly are the depths and what are the dimensions. Okay, so in this way what we can do is we can explain our holes and we can give dimensions. And that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. And if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, then don't forget to check the course link in the description. Thank you. Sorry for distraction, but if you think my videos are helpful for you, or if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, I am gonna highly recommend you can go into the description of this video, where you can find my course link, in which I have over 10 hours of videos in which I explain each and every command in a detailed way. Thank you.